Hey guys, today we're going to be checking out the Ion Outback 2. It looks just like the Pathfinder 2. We'll be right back. Hey guys, this is JoeTech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be checking out this new Ion Outback 2 Bluetooth speaker. Rechargeable, 100-hour battery. It looks identical to the Pathfinder 2. As far as I'm aware, is that the Pathfinder 2 has been discontinued. If you can still find them, that's great, but if you look carefully, this is the same darn thing. The only difference is it's got yellow handles, it's got yellow accents and stuff like that. And the other cool thing that this does have, store stuff on the back, I think is a home run. That's huge. So if you want to stick your wireless microphone in here, just so you have it with you, this is like perfect. And store that in the bag. So if you wanted to stick that in there like that, stick the receiver in there as well, and then you can have a storage spot for your microphone. That'd be great. So you know, this is very useful. We could crank this baby up all the way and there's no distortion whatsoever. How awesome is that? That's amazing. So now the microphone that I reviewed can be used with the Ion device. So the Bluetooth connectivity is the same. You press the button, you pair it up with your device, your cell phone, your iPad, your tablet, Samsung tablet, whatever you got, and you'll be able to stream with no trouble with this device. The Bluetooth is blinking. Let's do a scan. Oh, there it is. Came right up, no questions asked. Okay, we're connected, so let's see if it works. That's full volume. Look at that. Tips. We strive to give you the best content. Wow, there's no lip syncing issue. It could be pretty much anything you want to use it for. It's just about 500 lumens. Wow, there's no lip sync issues whatsoever. It is very loud. It is 100 watts. It kicks some major ass. As well, it also has the towing capability, if you want to drag this along with you, and has a button on the top where you can release and push it down. I'm giving this the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. This is by far another fantastic product by Ion. It's a replacement. So remember, this is the Explorer Outback 2 versus the Pathfinder 2. So this is the replacement. So let's go take this bad boy apart and see what kind of battery we have. So it appears to be a 7 amp hour battery, 12 volt 7 amp hour battery. It's quite small. These are very inexpensive, so if this dies, it's not a big deal. So you have quite a few screws that you need to take off, just so you know. Even these that hold down the Velcro. So you have these on the outside here. These are shorter. These 6 here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 are shorter. These 2 are longer, and these are longer as well. So just so you are aware. Okay, and then this just pops open like so, and there's a battery. So here are the other screws that you'll have to do. So if you don't take them out, you will crack the case. So you must take those off as well. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And as always, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, guys, and we'll see you next time.